is up, you guys? It is me, Tanisha, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you are not, sis, I have no words. If you have not subscribed, why aren't you subscribed? But nonetheless, I am glad that you are here. And today I am doing something a little different. As you can see from my title, this is a eyelash video. And as you can see, I have already done my makeup. I haven't put my lips on yet, but let me go put my lips on. Okay, girl, back. So, like I told you guys in my previous videos, I would like to do more reviews, different kinds of videos outside of the wig videos. And today I am trying a lash video. These lashes are called Falscara. And like the saying goes, TikTok made me do it. So yes, TikTok made me do it. And I want to try these on for the first time for you guys. As you can see, I did get them from my local CVS store, so you don't have to go online to go out your way to try to get these lashes. Some people saying it's hard, some people saying it's so easy. So we gonna try this on camera and see how it goes. This is what the packaging looks like. It has my lashes. I got the full package. I didn't just get the lashes because they do all come sold separately, but I got the lashes, the bonder and sealer, and the applicator. They say it makes it very easy to put these on with this applicator. Also on the back, it shows you everything that you want. I mean, it shows you everything that's in this package, as well as the instructions to it too. And from the looks of it, it has instructions on the inside supposedly. See, oh yep, instructions on the inside, and this is how it looks outside of the packaging. So we're gonna try this and we're gonna see how it goes. As you can see, I didn't do anything to my eyelashes yet. They are clean, nothing on them. So gonna look at these instructions, and it kind of looks like it's the same thing as the back. It does have also a remover that you can buy, and also an overnighter. I guess that's just if you want to keep them on for an extended stay. So definitely keep that in mind. I wish I would have saw this before I got it, because I probably would have. Well, we gonna see how this go first. So in the instructions, it tells me to put the bond on my natural lashes. So as you can see here on this, let's see if I can get it to focus a little bit. That's the bond, that's the seal. It's in one applicator, so you don't have to go to the extreme to try to switch out both. So I'm just gonna start by putting the bond on my natural lashes, and they say a little bit goes a long way. You're gonna see. So just putting on the bond on my lashes. And I hope this works, because my real lash is kind of long. So we gonna see. So the bond is on. And it doesn't say you have to wait a certain amount of time. It doesn't say any of that. So next we're gonna put on our lash. Let me put a little bit more on just to make sure they stay a little extra secure. My face all up in this camera. So now I'm gonna take my applicator, and it says to start the pro tips on the, so So you can pull these off. So it comes off, and then you just have to pop this little top off of it. And you have about 5 little individual lash thingies to put on. So I'm gonna go with my first one. Ooh, I'm scared. Okay, popped off. So I have my lash on my applicator, and brush on the bond, place the wisp underneath. Ooh, my eye sticky. So I'm gonna place it up underneath my natural lash. Ooh. And then pinch it. Oh, okay. So the first one is on. And the pro tip too is to tell you to start from the outside. So I think I said that already, but definitely start from the outside to make it easier. I'm on to the second one. I think I'm gonna grip it from the top first, like the tip of the lash, and I'm just gonna sit that up under there. Ooh. Not bad. I'm gonna pinch them together just to get a little extra hold to it. I probably shouldn't have put it on the tip of my eyelash because it's sticking right there, if you can see it. So, and I'm gonna go again. So I kind of ripped my lashes out of that one with the applicator. So be careful with this as you do it, which I'm not too pressed about because it's right here in the middle. I'll probably need a lot of lash with that. So definitely be careful with that because you definitely will pull out lashes. Something stuck to this one. And for my last one, as you can see, I'm gonna just pull them off with my fingers and then apply them with my applicator because I keep pulling lashes out and I need these, boo. All right, I'm gonna look up and just stick that on there. Boom. So this is without, this is with. I'm kind of feeling it. So now that I have those on there, I'm gonna kind of pinch them down a little bit to make them hold a little bit more. Even this little corner right here, I lose my applicator to do that part. Really cute. So as you can see the difference in my eyes. So next it says to lock in with the seal. So I'm gonna take my sealer for this eye, take my seal, and I'm gonna seal it. Just a little brushing on here. Be careful not to get into your eye just like I did, cause so brush a little bit on the back side. And it definitely seems legit because I did it. Let's go to the other side. All right, you guys, so I am all done with that, and I will say they do look fairly cute. I will give you a few tips that I just learned, and this is, like I said, this is my first time, so I would not pull them off the packaging, the lashes off the packaging with the applicator, because you can pull them out. Also, after you seal them and bond them, or whatever you want to call it, do not try to go in and mess with them, because I tried to pull a little of the glue that it came on the packaging off, and I put my whole little section of lash off. So I would wait, definitely, or do it before you put the lashes on. So far so good. I would recommend these to beginners, because like I said, this is my first time putting these on. This is Kiss's Falscara lashes. I definitely recommend. And if you want to wear these overnight, I definitely recommend that you do get the overnighter bond, and I'm probably gonna go and get the remover bond, depending on how easily these come off after they dry. So I do recommend these. I give these a 9 out of 10, simply because when you pull them off, the lashes do pop off the band. But so far so good. You can get these off Amazon too. I'll try to put a link to that from Amazon on my description if I can. But I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye boo.